Veena Chandra, presenting here the Tamil Nadu Assembly Election 2026 overview. Here we can see that we can start from the some KPIs like TVK have won 100 seats out of the 34 constituencies. TMK won 59 and all-time AIGMK hit the lower, that is 47 seats only. And next is the 160th total flip. Now we will see that the what is the whole deck cover that and why it matters. Tamil Nadu 2026 was not a normal election. A party that didn't exist in 2021 won 108 seats. That is the main highlight of that 2026 election. Here is the data story. Here we will cover the five story: geographical, the flip story, vote share story reserve, and margin of victory. First, we will see the geographic story, reason wise seat shift. That how much of Tamil Nadu's six regions voted in 2021 versus 2026. In this matrices, we can clearly see that in the region Chennai Metro, there is total 32 seats. Here, DMK has won 29 seats in year 21, but uh, the most dramatic shift, that is only two seats in 2026 have won by DMK in Chennai Metro region. That is the main highlighting story of the this election, Tamil Nadu election. TVK swept 29 of 32 seats. Now we will go to next uh, story, that is the flip story. That how uh, parties flip from 21 to 26 year. First, we can clearly see that that is 168 flipped constituencies, and here is the table. We can clearly see that DMK has 133 seats in 21, but that have transisted in by TVK by 65 seats. Again, AIDMK have 66 seats, but it got transfer mm, by TVK, and that has left only 26 seats. TVK attracted seats from both DMK and AIDMK. The dominating pattern was not a two-party exchange but a triangular alignment. Here we can see that the TVK had does not created any base voters. In fact, TVK has inherited the votes from DMK and AIDMK. Next is votes here of both the year 2021 versus 2026. Here we can see that in this donut chart, 38% of the votes have captured by the DMK in 2021 year. But again in the 2026, 35% of the vote has captured by TVK, and the gap is only 38 minus 31. That is only 3%. This is the gap. Next, we will see the reserved seat story, SC, ST, and general. Here, we can clearly see that TVK has 123 seats out of 43 of SC reserved seat, but 84 seats out of 188 seats in general category. That is, TVK's appeal crossed all constituency categories equally. That is, there is no caste bar. Here is a final seat tally versus 2026 versus 2021. We can see that in TVK has no uh, emergence in 2021, that has 0 seats, but in 2026 they had captured 108 seats and one um, overall parties. Mm. Next, DMK seats has 159 and AIDMK party seats 147 seats. Next, this is a margin of victory story. That the average margin of 2021 is 23,000, and the average margin of 2026 is 17,000 votes. This is a bar chart of the top 8 margins in 2026. Here we can see that TVK dominated big margins. 6 out of top 8 are TVK wins. Irapi AIDMK was the single largest margin at 98,110 votes. Here is the takeaways. TVK sweeps the state, won 108 seats with 35.1 votes here, a historic debate dominant in all six regions. Chennai Metro total receipt, DMK fell from 29 to 2 seats, TVK captured 29 out of 32 in the state most urban region. 72% constituencies flipped, 168 of 234 seats changed party, one of the TN's most volatile elections ever. Tighter contest average margin fell from 23,000 to 17,000 votes. 63 seats won with less than 35% vote share. SC seats new pattern. TVK won 23 by 44 SC reserve seats. DMK dropped from 21 to 9 in reserve constituencies. Here is the some recommendation, and thank you. That's all. If you have any questions, feedback, you can feel free to connect with me. Thank you.